To change the spark plugs on your Sportsman 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface in a well-ventilated area. Ensure the transmission is in park and set the parking brake. Next, lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Then, clean the area around the spark plug. Carefully lift up to remove the spark plug boot from the plug. The spark plug socket in your toolkit can be combined with an 18mm socket to remove the plug. Carefully remove the spark plug for inspection. Inspect the electrodes for wear and carbon buildup. The spark plug should have a sharp outer edge with no rounding or erosion. Also inspect and adjust the spark plug gap if needed. If necessary, replace with the recommended spark plug. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended spark plugs. Next, install the spark plug into the engine and torque to specification. Reinstall the spark plug boot and ensure it is secure. Next, reinstall the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. Finally, start the engine to ensure proper operation. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.